Hello guys, my name is Luca from AudioTribe YouTube channel, and in this video we will see if the new JBL Partybox 520 can be connected with the JBL Partybox 320 or with the JBL Partybox Ultimate or with the old JBL Partybox 710 that doesn't have Auracast features. So first let's see and connect only one JBL Partybox 520. So for connecting the JBL Partybox 520 with the smartphone, you need to press the Bluetooth button on the JBL Partybox 520. After you've done that, just go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone and you will see here JBL Partybox 520. Just connect these two speakers together and you saw that they are connected. Now when you are gonna play a song on it, only the JBL Partybox 520 will play song just like this. Now let's try to connect the JBL Partybox 520 with the JBL Partybox 320, and for that just tap on the Auracast multi-connection button on these two speakers and they should be paired and they should play song simultaneously. Now let us play the song again, and when you turn the volume up, it is obviously that both are connected. And because these two speakers works with JBL Partybox app, when you enter the JBL, you see here the JBL Partybox, and on the bottom you see on the bottom page you'll see the party together function. So we can definitely see that it has the JBL Partybox 520 and the JBL Partybox 320 connected. Now let's see what will happen if we want to connect the JBL Partybox 520 with an older model just like the JBL Partybox 710, because the JBL Partybox 710 doesn't have the Auracast multi-connection button. So just deactivate the Auracast multi-connection button. Just open the JBL Partybox app, because the JBL Partybox 520 uses the JBL Partybox app, and tap on the speakers to enter the settings on the JBL Partybox 520, and we see here that it says connect with previous model. If we tap here, the JBL Partybox 520 already saw that it is in standby a JBL Partybox 710. As you see from the Bluetooth settings, I am connected only to the JBL Partybox 520. The 710 it is not connected. So it shows us that the JBL Partybox 520 can only be connected with the previous models: JBL Partybox 110, the JBL Partybox 310, the JBL Partybox 710 in-core, and the in-core extension. Now just tap on the next, and now these two speakers are connected together via the TWS function, and when you want to play a song on them, you will see that both will play song. But unfortunately, as you see, the volume from the phone, it is only taken by the JBL Partybox 520, but we see that on the lights, the JBL Partybox 710, it works. Now, every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast, like a roast, like a glass. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the. So it is very clearly, you can connect the JBL Partybox 520 with the older models, but unfortunately the volume will only affect the JBL Partybox 520. You need to manually set the JBL Partybox 710 or the older model volume to sync with the JBL Partybox 520. As you saw, the sound, it is synced, the lights are synced, but the level of the volume, it is not synced. So in my opinion, this is not cool. You see, only the 520. So the sound, it is synced. So only when it is turned off. Okay, so it only turns off, mute the JBL Partybox 520. So I don't like that. Now let's try to connect the JBL Partybox 520 with the JBL Partybox Ultimate and with the JBL Partybox 320. And for that we will activate the Auracast multi-connection button on the JBL Partybox 520, on the JBL Partybox 320, and on the JBL Partybox Ultimate, and that will deactivate the TWS function. So now the JBL Partybox 520 will not be connected anymore with the JBL Partybox 710. As you see, only the JBL Partybox 320 and the JBL Partybox 520 play song, and this doesn't play song. Yeah, but unfortunately we cannot see the JBL Partybox Ultimate in this connection. Now, to see the JBL Partybox Ultimate in this connection, just go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone, deactivate the JBL Partybox 520, connect the JBL Partybox Ultimate, and enter the JBL One app, because the JBL Partybox Ultimate uses the JBL One app. Now we see that the JBL Partybox Ultimate, it is ready to connect, and now it is connected. Let's tap the Auracast multi-connection button, and we see here that it is already sees the JBL Partybox 320 and the JBL Partybox 520. Let us wait for these two to be connected. Okay, and now let's play a song to see how they will sound. So that is the level on the JBL Partybox Ultimate. Come on. Okay, so after a few seconds, all of these three speakers are connected. Let's see if the light it is connected. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. Isn't that spitting slow, spitting fast? I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time. You're delirious, mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bitch. Show up and make a statement. I don't have to slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. The consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence. Dreams of modestness. So I'm not here to save your day. Hard for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but it's hard to say. Something autological, something that is typical. Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Take care responsible, but they're always possible. So yeah, it is. I have some connection issues. I don't know. We'll make it to the top, taking off, never when I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. Okay, so it is clearly the Auracast connection. It is not very reliable. Look at it. So I am playing with the volume on this phone. I increase in power and nothing happened. But when I play with the volume button here, you see all of these three speakers are playing sound. So yeah, you can definitely connect the JBL Partybox 520 with the JBL Partybox 710 via the JBL Partybox app. You can definitely connect multiple Auracast speakers together, but as you saw, we have had some issues. So I really love that we can connect the JBL Partybox 520 with many others Auracast speakers, but as you saw, the Auracast connection, it is not very reliable. You can use it, the sound it is synced, but it is not very reliable, or at least in my test, never I cannot rely on it. And when you want to connect the JBL Partybox 520 with the JBL Partybox 710, and trust me, I have upgraded the software on both of them and it is up to date. Fortunately, they were connected, but you can set the volume manually on the old JBL Partybox, because when you turn up the volume on the 520, the volume on the JBL Partybox 710, it is not synced, so you manually need to sync these two volume together. But the main thing it is done, it syncs the sound. But what do you think about the Auracast and about the new JBL Partybox 520? Will you buy it or not? Feel free to subscribe AudioTribe YouTube channel and please hit that like button. Cheers!